Have you ever felt like you're falling behind on YouTube? Just because your thumbnails don't stand out? You spend hours filming, color grading, editing voiceovers. And then, when you finally upload the video, no one clicks. Why? Because your thumbnail looks cheap. Or worse, just like hundreds of other beginner channels. If you're into AI tools that save time and help you make money, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on new videos. And stick around till the end, because I'll show you a thumbnail trick no other tool offers. Let's get straight to it. Thumbnails are absolutely vital for growing your YouTube channel. But to make a great one, you're usually stuck choosing between learning Photoshop, which takes time and can be frustrating, using Canva templates that scream, "I just started my channel yesterday." That's why most thumbnails get buried compared to those from big creators, who have entire design teams behind them. But here's the good news. I found a way to create thumbnails that look just as pro without any design skills. It's a tool called Pikzels, and I'm going to walk you through how to use it step by step. First, head over to Pikzels.com. I've dropped the link in the description below. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see two main ways to create thumbnails. Option 1, text to thumbnail. You just describe the image you want in plain English. For example, I typed, "a coastal scene and fishing boats at anchor." Then I hit generate. Wait a few seconds. And boom, AI gives you a complete thumbnail, just like the one you're seeing on screen. Looks pretty clean and sharp, right? I tried another prompt, a sunset scene with roosters crowing. The first result looked solid, but I wanted to add text like 5:20 p.m. in the bottom left corner. And here's what blew my mind. The AI placed the text perfectly. No dragging or manual layout needed. If you've ever struggled with placing text that doesn't mess up your design, this feature is a total game changer. Now, my absolute favorite feature is called Recreate. It lets you remake any thumbnail you love, but swaps in your own face. Here's how it works. Head to the Personas tab on the left and upload 10 selfies or portraits. They don't need to be studio quality. Pikzels uses those to create a face model, which you can apply to any future thumbnail. Setup takes under 5 minutes. Now here's the magic. Let's say you find a thumbnail from a top video, like this one from Mr. Beast with over 150 million views. Just copy the video URL, paste it into the Recreate tool, pick the persona you created. Mine's called Neryl. Hit generate, and that's it. In seconds, you get a Mr. Beast-style thumbnail with your own face on it. No Photoshop, no designer. I've tested this tool across all kinds of content. Gaming, something like PewDiePie's style. Business, think Gary Vaynerchuk. Tech, like Austin Evans. Interview, similar to Tim Ferriss. The results, super consistent. And the cost per thumbnail, less than $1. The premium plan is $40 per month and lets you generate 150 thumbnails. That's just under 27 cents each. And here's the cool part. You don't even have to be in the picture. Just pick any thumbnail you like one from Cypher for example, and drop it into Recreate. Pikzels will generate tons of versions based on that style, but with your unique look and brand. Each one takes just seconds to make, and the results? Honestly, some of the most professional-looking thumbnails I've seen. If you're a creator who isn't great at design, this tool is like having a personal thumbnail assistant. Now, you might be wondering, wait, isn't this just copying other people's thumbnails? Totally fair question. I wondered the same thing. But the truth is, big creators have been modeling each other's thumbnails for years. Ryan Trahan one-star restaurants video got 28 million views. Nick DiGiovanni made a near-identical thumbnail. Got 18 million views. Even Mr. Beast did it with his Train vs. Giant Pit video. And it works because the format works. You can now create thumbnails that grab millions of views. You don't need pretty design skills. You just need to follow a proven thumbnail formulas. What if you make a thumbnail and don't love it? Easy. Hit redo to start fresh, or click edit. Type something like, "Make Neryl serious," and hit generate again. Done. No manual editing needed. You can also control how closely it matches the original by choosing an inspiration weight, high, more similar medium, moderately changed low, more original and creative, in just minutes. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And hit subscribe to learn more AI tools, YouTube tips, and smart ways to automate your content. New videos every week. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching all the way through, and I'll see you in the next one. Narrow AI Codex, helping you grow smarter, faster, and more automated with the power of AI.